Hello, this is just a quick video demo of a tool that I knocked up over the weekend called Willow. Willow is a speech-to-text client. It's built in Python with Qt, so it should be cross-platform, and basically allows you to record your voice and transcribe that text into text and paste it somewhere. So really straightforward idea. It's based on an app called Super Whisper for Mac, which runs the model locally, but I wanted to build a version of it that could run against an existing model that I had hosted somewhere. So I've got all my configuration already set up. You could actually use the OpenAI official endpoint here if you want to. Click the button to get the list of models from the server. Select the one you want to use, make sure you've got the right audio device set up, and then hit start recording, and here we go. And if I click stop again now, you can see a transcript of everything I said there. But here's the really powerful part. I can actually trigger the recording from another window using a key combo, and it will paste what I said straight into that window. So let me demo that now. Hello, this is test 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. VS Code is helpfully trying to autocomplete what I said there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But yeah, that's kind of it. So I've been using this quite a lot for myself. It's actually really handy just for kind of making voice notes and stuff, and having them directly added into my notes. So yeah, I'll try and make this available soon. Packaging it up is proving to be a bit of a pig, but hey ho, we can't win everything. Cool.